Hi guys, so the wedding prep is getting so real. I made like 100 lists, but today is actually super exciting. We're here to build my bridal trousseau, which means skincare, makeup, perfumes, everything new.
And obviously, I cannot trust her to do this alone. So she's dragged me out of bed, but honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way.
So, okay, we're literally parked outside Geo World. We're going to be entering Tira in just a bit and we're going to take you with us. But I'm so excited because I think that is beauty heaven. Not that I need new makeup, but I think getting married is always a good reason to buy things and to just generally shop.
I'm so excited. I feel like we haven't physically been in a store and shopped.
I know being a bride means like being all about bridal beauty and doing some treatments. The truth is, I'm doing nothing. So, this will be the first step to feeling a little bit like a bride, which is like buying my bridal trousseau and everything. But I think along with that, what's really exciting is that I'm doing something very cute for my bridesmaids. We're making bridesmaids hampers for all my girlies. They don't know this, but if they see this video, they will. So, I'm here and I'm making you guys really cute hampers.
Let's just hope Prakriti doesn't max out her credit card before the fairas.
I'm going a little mad.
Let's go.
So every time I'm at Tira, I feel like I'm like a little girl in a candy store, but like a really fancy candy store. This place, I mean, Tira is your one-stop shop because it has everything. One thing at one time, I think we should get baskets.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're empty, but not for too long.
Okay, so starting with one product that I think really defines any girl's face, and that is good lashes. And I think this is something that currently Sukriti and I are swearing by. So this needs to be a part of my bridal trousseau, only because it has two sides. It's 2-in-1 like me and Sukhu. One side is purely for adding the volume. The other side is for adding length. This is amazing, brides to be.
Okay, so after She Glam, we had to hop over to the Huda Cutie counter because honestly, you see me and Prakriti do our makeup at our own concerts, which by the way, we do by ourselves. Like even today, and most of the times, even on red carpets and stuff, we're always doing our own makeup. So there's this one brand that we absolutely love. We're gonna go for the Blush Crush. It is a blush filter. When I say this is good, trust me, the soft glow finish that comes with this, and it's so buildable. And it literally melts on the skin. There are two shades that I absolutely love in this. This is the Latte. So this goes a long way, right? Because you can use that as a bronzer and as a blush. And it's super multi-purpose. You can wear it on your lips, you can wear it on your cheeks, you can wear it on your eyes. It goes everywhere.
Okay, another shade that we absolutely love is this strawberry cream. Makeup girlies, you know what I'm talking about. For the ones that don't know, this is what needs to be in your trousseau.
Am I the bride or are you the bride?
You're also the bride to be.
Oh, yeah.
Eventually.
Eventually.
Okay guys, this is one of my favorite palettes. I'm telling you, if you have this, you don't need to choose any other palette. This one's called the Natural Nude. It is so perfect because it has all your glitters and all your natural nudes, and I think it works beautifully with Indian skin tones. This is something that I think everyone should just have because it'll go a long way.
It's got your gold, it's got your rose gold, it's got your coppers, it's got your silvers. You don't need much. Also guys, I think the most underestimated product, any kind of makeup kit, would be a really good skin tint. This is something that I've got my entire family on, by the way. My sister, my mother, because my mom doesn't like wearing makeup at all. So this is the Fenty Beauty skin tint. I usually go with number 8 or 9, I'm not sure, but this is honestly like so good, like on days when you don't want to wear too much makeup, and also honestly even on days you want to wear makeup, this goes a long way. Such a good product.
Guys, I'm going to let you in to a secret. So usually busy girls like us, we forget to get our eyebrows threaded on time. We have the Benefit Brow Gel. This is so good. This is literally what makes your eyebrows look so sculpted. They don't move. Like when you use this product, they just don't move. Obviously, I'm going to be glowing from inside, but I want to glow from outside, right? So, can you suggest me some highlighter from NARS that's going to make us glow?
Yeah, don't be shy. You can go all out.
I'm looking crazy.
This one's called Eros, and it's the light reflecting luminizing powder.
And now it's going in the bridal kit, in the bridal trousseau kit, guys. You can put it on your collarbones as well. Really big K beauty girls. In fact, we have so much stock of Tirtir that we've got from Tokyo.
You know the ones which are orange and like different colors in this, but that's not why we are here. We swear by this brand.
Yeah.
But since we've got so much makeup in this, we need something to like lock it all in, and that would only happen with the best setting spray.
This is the Tirtir makeup fixer, which really deserves a spot as a part of my bridal trousseau kit, guys, because this makeup fixer, in fact, I think you're wearing it right now.
I'm wearing it right
Yeah.
now. I wear it every day. I mean, I love that it's red because a lot of times I do my entire makeup and I forget to use a setting spray. So Tirtir, I love you. This is a must-have. It has this blurry and moist finish at
Yeah.
the same time.
Also, I think I've seen a lot of bridal makeup artists switching to this for their brides. So if you're a bridesmaid too, just get it.
Okay, so up next we're at this counter. For everybody who's always wondering how to pronounce this brand, including me, it's Laneige.
Or it's like Laneige. Laneige.
I think it's Laneige.
Yeah. I mean, these are like our go-to lip balms. Oh, they're actually called go-to, on the go. Okay, but these are ours go-to lip balms, and these are absolutely brilliant. In fact, I have got my fiance Vinay on Laneige as well, so we share Laneige lip balms. But what's really cool is the tinted lip serums, which is something that we're seeing for the first time.
Yeah, I think there's so much hype around these. So I think if we're really curating like a trousseau for you, we must have some of these because I know Laneige really promises skincare.
Candy store vibes.
Yeah, what is this?
Oh my god, this is that brand. This is the one. Oh my god, I didn't even know it's in Tira.
Etude.
Guys, this, I don't know if you're interested, this is the lip tint that I wore on my proposal, and in fact, the entire time.
Only lipstick that you would find in Prakriti's bag for such a long time. Otherwise, she codes all of mine.
That's
Takes
so,
all my makeup.
I am really not into lipsticks, and you really are.
Yeah.
But this, I don't know what is with this color. I'm going to tell you the color. This is called Midnight Mauve in 05. This is, it's a fixing tint. I didn't even know Etude is in India and it's in Tira because I got it from Hong Kong, and then I kept looking online and I didn't find it. So I'm so excited.
Okay guys, we've made the most stunning makeup bridal trousseau kit, but I think we've really not spoken about like skin, like how to prep your skin. But fortunately we're at the benefit counter right now, and they have the most amazing range when it is talking about pore care. All of these products are actually my favorite. So prepping your skin is the most important step. As everybody knows, all of this amazing makeup is really not going to look half as amazing till your skin is fully prepped, and that's why I think the next product that we're going to put is the pore primer. This is honestly the best pore primer out there.
So we obviously saved the best for the last because you know what they say, right? Your fragrance and your scent introduces you before you can even open your mouth.
And I read something really interesting recently, and it said that whenever you're doing something that's really like once in a lifetime, and I feel and I would imagine that weddings would be that, they said that for your wedding you should always pick a brand new fragrance. So I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to pick a brand new fragrance.
And I've heard a lot about this perfume, but then it just says red musk. I'm not too much into musk. I want to make sure that it's super feminine, but I want to try.
Yeah, but no, honestly, like all brides to be, whoever's watching this, please get a new fragrance for your wedding day. And I think it's so cool. You can always remember everything because of it. This is the one.
Should we do it?
It's red. You can't.
Should we do it? Should we do it?
Let's do it. Okay guys, I think we've had a very fun, productive and successful day. We have successfully finished curating Prakriti's bridal trousseau basket here at Tira Beauty. We've also sealed it in with our fragrance of the D-Day, which is going to be the Armani one. And how are you feeling? What's going
I'm
on?
just like, I think it's a little bit of excitement. It's just, like we've spoken about this all the time, like as little girls,
But now I think we're already at a place where like the countdown is on.
yeah,
And
it is
super
really on.
excited.
Guys, I can't believe this just feels like a normal day, but it's not. This is for my bridal trousseau, and this is
Taking
amazing.
short every time she says bridal trousseau.
No, but this is super exciting, and I hope you guys had fun watching. And for brides to be, trust me, everything here is a 10 on 10 and highly recommended. And thank you for coming with me. I wouldn't do this with anyone else.
Yeah, and thank you, Tira.